You realize it's the only time you'll ever see me without a watch, so keep that memory. And welcome to the 9JS YouTube channel. Yay, we finally have our own YouTube channel, so I don't have to upload our videos with my channel all the time. I should get a Veritas card for doing this vlog, because if I did it, I will think, like, I don't think, like, someone else would do a vlog, so, yeah. Things I've been doing is nothing. It's been boring. I don't have my own room lately. Yeah, I don't have my own room till like after New Year because my cousins are here and they're staying in my room, so I have to stay in my brother's room, which I'll probably give you a tour of in another vlog. I'm outside at the moment, which is, and I think it's gonna rain soon, so I'm gonna make this quick. I'll give you a little view of where that's going around the deck to my house, and that's going out to the driveway. So I'm kind of stuck in the middle, and this is a little corner thingy that I found that I could make videos in without getting disturbed. The goals that I'm trying to achieve at the moment is stop texting. Yeah, I don't have enough text to last me until Boxing Day, so I need to stop texting. Just have a good Christmas, and yeah. We'll see you in January when we watch Twilight and go to the beach. And yeah, remember that hanging out in primary schools is the new thing. And I hope you're not having a boring holiday like I am.